Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and Ethernet stability. This matters because updates fail on flaky connections. Once connected, back up the current configuration to a USB or cloud so you can revert if necessary. Next, download the specific base station too. Zero firmware file and read the release notes to understand fixes and prerequisites. Make sure you have admin credentials ready. You will need them immediately when initiating the update through the web interface or management app. You now upload the firmware through the web UI or initiate an SSH transfer if the device supports it, because secure transfer prevents corruption. Once uploaded, select Install and watch the progress bar. Do not power cycle or disconnect Ethernet, as that can brick the unit. If prompted, allow the device to reboot automatically. Once it comes back, verify the firmware version and checksum to confirm integrity. If configurations reset, restore the backup and reapply any custom network settings. You finish by running connectivity tests and performance checks across connected endpoints to confirm functionality. This tells you whether services resumed correctly. Once verified, reapply custom settings that may not persist and scan system logs for warnings or errors that need attention. If something goes wrong, use the Safe Recovery option. Boot from the USB recovery image or enter the vendor restore mode to roll back firmware. Keep the backup handy and contact support if recovery fails after these steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.